Hi, my name is Leah Morrison, and I love spreading fun and happiness through art. And in this class, we will be painting abstract peonies. And this is a Paint and Sip class edition. A little bit about myself. I'm a Paint and Sip art instructor. I own a paint party entertainment services called Paint Me a Party, and we are based in Los Angeles, California. For those who are not familiar with painting parties or paint and sip parties, it is a combination of a live face-to-face art class and a party. Participants are instructed to paint the same image while they drink, snack, and socialize with each other. We will create a bouquet of peonies. Now forgive me, English is my second language. I remember the first time I taught this class. My students were giggling because I was pronouncing peonies wrong. I guess I was saying peonies a little too fast. But we had a blast. And thank goodness it was a bachelorette's party. Woo! Just like in person or live streaming paint parties, I will show you the step-by-step process on how you can also create this whimsical and abstract painting from beginning to end. This class is especially great for beginners, as well as seasoned artists who'd like to just have fun creating something different. In the next videos, we will cover the basic structure and use certain styles of strokes to achieve that whimsical and abstract look. We will go over blending colors and adding details to give our peonies, the flower, that classic abstract in combination with a modern look. My favorite thing about this abstract painting is the simple touches we put into it. Can you tell that the inspiration for this painting is from many of Van Gogh's flower vase paintings? I simply love it. At the end of this class, you'll be amazed at how well you can create with basic acrylic paints and simple art materials. For your class project, I'd love for you to follow along, just like how you do it live streaming or in person. Remember to press pause when you need to catch up. That is something we can't do during live streaming. So, let's go ahead and grab some wine, cheese, crackers, and get this painting party started.